So hey, this is Rob Brooks with 127 Legacy Foundation. We're over here in Pekanbaru, Sumatra with our friends at Hope of Nations Children's Home. And want to introduce you to two young ladies that are really a wonderful testament to the work of Hope of Nations Children's Home and our partnership with them back in the United States. This is Putri and this is Destry. And of course, some of you, if you've been watching some of our other videos, you're already familiar with Grace here, our translator from the home church back in Jakarta at Gethsemane Church. And we thought this would be an interesting opportunity just to talk with these two young ladies who came up through this ministry here. So thank you girls for joining us.
Terima kasih sudah bergabung bersama kami. Welcome.
Destry knows a little bit of English. Putri is still learning some, so we thought Grace's help would be really, really good. Both of you, I remember the first time I came to Pekanbaru. I remember meeting both of you.
Ya, jadi pertama kali pas pastor kesini, mereka ingat kalian.
It was at the old location, the small house.
Ya, di lokasi yang sebelumnya, yang rumah kecil.
Yeah, and I think you both were like 13, 14 years old, something like that.
Oh, itu kalian masih umur 13, 14 atau umur berapa?
16.
You were 16?
16,
Okay. Yeah, so quite a few years ago. And a lot has changed in a new location, new building, new place.
Banyak yang berubah dari tempat yang baru, lebih gede.
Now both of you grew up in Hope of Nations, didn't you?
Kalian berdua udah tinggal lama di sini dan besar di sini.
Yeah, yeah. What does Hope of Nations Children's Home mean to you? What have you loved about being here?
Ya, apa menurut kalian yang ngerasa Hope of Nations tuh kayak gimana? Menurut kalian dari hati terdalam? Bisa pakai bahasa Inggris, bisa Indonesia, bisa.
Maksudnya kayak mana nih?
Ya misalnya kayak menurut kalian Hope of Nation tuh kayak gimana? Apakah ini sebuah rumah yang kayak kalian dambakan atau kayak sebuah rumah yang awalnya mungkin enggak ada beberapa aspek yang kayak enggak begitu nyaman, tapi lama-lama di sini bisa.
Let me ask this. How old were you when you first came to Hope of Nations?
Pertama kali banget datang ke Hope of Nation berapa? Umur berapa?
Umur 11 tahun.
11.
You were 11 years old. What about you?
11 sih.
11 also? Okay. So being in Hope of Nations, how has it really benefited you? How has it helped you?
Jadi untuk berada di Hope of Nation ini apa yang benefit buat kalian? Maksudnya kayak apa yang kalian rasain? Positifnya. Yes.
Kalau menurut aku sih banyak hal ya. Yang pertama dari awalnya belum mengenal siapa itu Yesus Kristus, sekarang bisa kenal siapa itu Yesus.
Alright. So being in Hope of Nation, she said that she gets to know Jesus more because she was not a believer before.
Oh wow, okay. It introduced you to Jesus Christ.
Awalnya sebelum tinggal di panti nggak disiplin, setelah di dalam panti bisa disiplin gitu.
And she get more disciplined in here.
Oh okay,
Yeah,
I see.
because people taught her how to be, to have a proper actions.
Proper actions
Yeah.
and practices, and
Yeah,
how to really take care of herself and take care
and
of
take care
others.
of the place too.
Yeah, to be a part of the family. What about you, Destiny?
Kalau menurut saya, ya sama dengan Putri tadi, ini menjadi tempat di mana saya bisa mengenal Tuhan Yesus secara pribadi.
This is a place that she can get to know, like Putri, that can get to know God more
Yeah.
in here.
So you came to know Jesus here
Yeah.
at Hope of Nations, yeah, and grew in your faith.
Ya.
Yeah.
Yang kedua itu tempat di mana bisa saya belajar untuk lebih percaya diri.
This is a place where she gained confidence.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah.
good. Yeah, gave you confidence. Speaking of which, both of the girls graduated out from here, and then came back, and now they're both staff members. They actually work here for the ministry. Why did you want to come back?
Ya, jadi kalian awalnya udah graduate kan, tapi kembali lagi ke sini as pekerja. Ya, kalian balik lagi tuh ke sini kenapa? Ada panggilan kah atau kayak mau rasa sama anak-anaknya atau gimana?
Kalau menurut saya, dulu sempat bekerja di luar beberapa tahun.
After she graduated, she used to like work somewhere else
Yeah.
for a few years.
Kemudian ketika melihat adik-adik di panti asuhan,
And then she remembers and saw like all of the children in here in the orphanage.
In the new location here?
no,
Oh, with the other ones. Okay.
Yeah,
di tempat yang lama.
in the old one.
Yeah.
Kemudian ada perasaan seperti terbeban
She feels like she has a burden
Yeah.
untuk membantu mereka, untuk mungkin dengan mengajari mereka untuk belajar.
Yeah, she feels like she's responsible to protect and teach them about life.
Dan selain keinginan untuk mengajari mereka, saya juga mau melihat tumbuh kembang mereka.
Besides feeling the need to like teach them, she wants to like see them growing.
Oh, yeah.
Nicely, yeah.
Like you did.
Ya,
Yeah. Yeah.
dan ketika melihat itu ada perasaan senang dan bangga.
Yeah,
Mhm.
and seeing them grow, she feels happy.
Very rewarding.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. What about you? Coming back, why did you want to come back?
Kalau aku setelah lulus dari SMA mungkin sempat bekerja sebulan di luar.
After she graduated, she worked somewhere else for about a month.
Okay.
Sebenarnya setelah mau tamat SMA itu ada rasa ingin cepat-cepat keluar dari panti, kayak mau merasakan hal dunia gitu.
Moments before she graduated, moments before she graduated, she feels like she wants to get out of this place as
Yeah.
soon as possible to
Oh,
feel,
yeah.
to feel like free,
Independent. Yeah.
and try like the worldly things.
Typical teenager.
Yeah, well,
Ya, dan ternyata setelah sebulan dilalui ada hari-hari di mana itu nggak baik, dan
and after that, in the period of 1 month, she felt like there were days where she felt like this is not like where I'm supposed to be.
Yeah.
ada beberapa hal konflik dengan keluarga, bahkan itu dengan teman sekerja.
She had conflicts with her families and colleagues too, work colleagues.
Yeah.
Dan ya di saat-saat seperti itu saya berdoa.
And at those like that moments, she always pray and seek for God.
Saya bertanya apakah ini rencana Tuhan atau apa? Jika memang tidak, tunjukkan rencanamu Tuhan gitu.
She always asks for God for signs like, is this where do you want me to be? And if this is not, then take me out of it.
Mungkin pada saat itu ada tuntunan Roh Kudus melalui ibu pengasuh yang dulu untuk mengajak saya kembali menjadi kakak asuh di tempat ini.
And the head of the mother of the orphanage before, she was the one that led her to go back to
Invited her back and
yeah.
asked her back. And you felt like it was God's will?
Ya, pada awalnya saya berpikir kalau itu kayaknya enggak deh, karena masa harus kembali lagi ke situ.
At first she was skeptical. She was like,
Yeah.
do you really want me to go back here? Like she was asking God. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tetapi ada saat-saat dimana kayaknya Tuhan bilang kamu harus kembali ke sini.
Yeah, but like he said that you have to go back
You
here.
really felt it in your heart. Yeah. Yeah. That's beautiful. Serving at Hope of Nations. How does it bless your heart? What does it mean to you?
Okay, ya melakukan pelayanan di sini, ya artinya itu buat kalian tuh apa? Maksudnya kayak berkat-berkat yang Tuhan berikan tuh ya dalam bentuk apa aja melalui pelayanan kalian di sini? Gitu.
Ada banyak hal sekali.
Many things.
Sebenarnya nggak mudah.
It is not easy.
Yeah.
Kadang ada perasaan senang,
There were times I feel happy,
tapi kadang ada perasaan sedih.
but also sad.
Yeah.
Kadang benar-benar bergumul,
At times, I really go through like hard times,
Oh yeah.
dan berdoa sama Tuhan.
but then I seek for God and pray to Him.
Tetapi merasa terberkati
But I feel also blessed
ketika melihat anak-anak semua merasa cukup, merasa disayangi.
Yeah, when she feels like she gets the joy when seeing all of the kids like have enough of everything, of the food and everything, and
Yeah.
And they got love. Nah, mereka dapat cinta yang
oh yeah, and she feels happy too when she saw that they have enough love for them.
That in the sense that you're being a part of giving that growth and love to them like it was given to you.
So, jadi itu memberkati saya
Yeah, she
juga.
feels blessed through that.
What about you? Being back here means what to you?
Yang memberkati aku. Kalau dari aku sih, yang membuat aku memberkati itu ya dari pelayanan bersama dengan adik-adik.
She feels like she feels the joy of serving God through giving everything to the children.
That is a great answer.
Yeah.
Both of them. Well, thank you, girls. Thank you so much, Terima kasih, for letting me talk with you. You are both a wonderful testimony to the love of God
Yeah.
in Christ, and two, to the work of this organization. You're a great testimony to that.
Ya, kalian berdua merupakan sebuah bukti nyata bahwa Tuhan tuh baik melalui apa yang sudah kalian lakukan ke Hope of Nation ini.
When you support 127 Legacy, you're supporting Hope of Nations Children's Home and young ladies just like these who grew up in this ministry and are now serving in it. That's a God thing.